Hello and welcome back to another fabric video from Mandas Fabrics. We hope everybody is well and safe. In this video we are going to be opening this brand new warm shawl suit design sitting right next to me here. This is one of those items that we ordered 2 to 3 weeks ago. In fact, it was one of the two items we ordered, and I don't exactly know which of those two designs this one is. There was a all over print original Alpine 3-piece shawl suit that I ordered, and then there was also a neck design warm shawl suit design that I ordered. I know it's one of those two, but I don't know exactly which one it is. So later on I'll be opening the box and showing you exactly what has arrived. Velvet seems to be the top seller these days, and just to recap on what we have had in recently. We've got the Burnout design with the cream background and the floral print all over with a plain velvet shalwar. Just one color in that. And then we've got the printed velvet with the gold foil work. Again, the video was very popular and we've had a lot of response on this, not only locally but all over the UK. So there's 3 colors in this. The contrast, green contrast with the pink shalwar. There's the navy blue kameez with the plain navy blue velvet shalwar, and then there's the gold. These are available either as a 2-piece or you can buy the top only by itself. So far it seems to be the gold and the navy blue which is leading. Also available is a selection of embossed and printed velvet fabrics. These are prints only. We've got black with grey embossed rose flower. We've got grey background with floral print. And then we've got a mixture of brown and black background with green flowers, which has also a paisley embossed design on it. If you remember in the last video we had a look at these long cardigans that we had come in. Full length cardigans with the flower design on the top half of the sleeves and the back. There was 3 colors in this: maroon, black and green, which I showed in the last video. We've also had these long cardigans come in. These are available in 2 colors, long length, open from the front, no buttons. And they come with a nice silver design in them. 2 colors available, navy blue and black only. And these come in sizes small, medium, medium large and extra large. That's the navy blue, and this is the black. It's one of those things which sells very well, and we've had them before as well, but not quite recently. It was quite a while back, and then we couldn't get hold of them due to supply problems, but they have now come back in again. Alright, let's not keep myself and you guys in suspense. Let's open this box and see exactly which of the 2 designs that I ordered 3 weeks ago has arrived. Okay, I can see already. So what we have is original Alpine all over print design that has come in. It's available in 4 colors. I'll take it all out, unpack the rolls, and then we'll take a closer look at exactly how the design looks and even dress a mannequin. So I've managed to unbox and unpackage the rolls, and I've actually set them on the top shelf over there. So we can see clearly that there's 4 colours in this design. It's a warm shawl suit in original Alpine. We've got a maroon, we've got a teal green, we've got a plum colour, and we've got a navy blue. Let's take a closer look at the design. So this is the kameez. It's an all over print, navy blue background with a combination of teal green and plum coloured star shaped design. The design runs all the way throughout the kameez, from edge to edge. Plain shalwar, which is the same fabric as the kameez, and then it comes with a burnout shawl, which has got the same design as the kameez in the background, along with some large paisley flowers. And then it's got a border which goes along the length of the shawl. You can probably just about make out that this is the burnout bit. I wonder if you can see it better from the back. Yeah, there we are. So if I hold it up, you can see exactly which part is referred to as the burnout. It's the part which you can see through. Around this paisley design here, along there, and then along the edge here, that part there is the burnout part. It's quite a popular fabric, and we have 1 or 2 designs come in every winter, and we seem to do very well with them. It's a lovely fabric, washes well, easy to sew, comfortable to wear. I think what we'll do now is take this navy colour and dress one of the mannequins, and that will give you an idea of what a suit potentially could look like once it's sewn up. Let us know what you think of this design, and let us know what you think of these colours. I think these are lovely colours, typical winter season colours, and as I said, this fabric does very well every winter. The kameez and the shalwar needs to be cut on this one. The shawl is already cut, so I need to cut 2.5 meters of the kameez, which I'm just going to do right now. That's the kameez done. And now we're going to cut the shalwar at 2.25 meters. So as you saw on the time lapse there, guys, I dressed the mannequin with the blue coloured original Alpine warm shawl suit that we have arrived today, and this is what it potentially can look once dressed, once made up. Very nice design and nice colour combination, and I'm sure you'll agree. Let us know what you think. Drop us a comments in the comments section. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with family and friends, and consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already done so. Just to give you a recap of the colors, there's maroon, teal green and plum, along with the navy that has just gone on the mannequin. So I hope you liked today's video. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you very shortly on the next one.